In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can remove devices from your WhatsApp account. Removing devices from your WhatsApp account is crucial for maintaining your privacy and security. When you remove a device, you prevent unauthorized access to your messages and personal information. This helps safeguard your conversations from being intercepted or accessed by someone who shouldn't have access. The most disturbing part is that a linked device can go through all your WhatsApp messages and privacy, without limits. As you can see this device right here, it's linked to my WhatsApp. They can send, delete, or restore messages. They can update or delete my status, reply, or see sent messages, and many more features across my WhatsApp account. To remove untrusted devices like this one, simply head into your WhatsApp settings. On the settings page, tap right here on linked devices. This is the device that's linked to my account. You will have to just tap on logout. It will automatically get removed from your WhatsApp account. That's how easy it is to remove devices from your WhatsApp account. Make sure to add a two-step verification to your account to avoid such issues. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.